Hey guys, what's up? You know, I just thought I'd kind of talk about there's things that are inside you that you really want, right? Or you say that you want them. And let's just use for an example, you want $10,000 a month. That's the kind of money you want to make. But you cannot set a goal that says, I want to make $10,000 a month and I'm going to act like I make $10,000 a month, because the money will not excite you to keep you going, to keep that fire burning inside of you. It has to be something emotional. What are you going to do with the $10,000? Are you going to build yourself a big garage out back and put all your stuff in it and put your workshop in it and you can see yourself working in that workshop? What is the reason you want that money? So when you're making your goals out, think about it emotionally. What really gets you excited when it comes to whatever it is in life that you think you want? If it excites you, go after it. It'll be easier to obtain. Later, guys. Bye.